focusing first on structures that were crucial for the community: schools, hospitals, and public utilities. And the impact of this project was profound. The recovery process was accelerated and the allocation of resources improved. Communities saw their homes and neighborhoods rebuilt faster. Schools and hospitals opened their doors once again. Life started returning to the streets of Iraq, all thanks to the power of AI. The AI didn't just rebuild structures, it rebuilt hope. By accelerating the reconstruction process, it helped restore faith in the future among the Iraqi people. It showed that even in the wake of devastation, there is a path forward. And most importantly, it demonstrated that this path can be navigated more efficiently with the help of technology. This example showcases the transformative power of AI in post-conflict reconstruction. Now, let's summarize what we've learned. Artificial intelligence is not just a tool for tech companies, it's a catalyst for positive change in the world. Now, let's recap what we've learned about the role of AI in post-conflict reconstruction. We delved into how AI can analyze vast amounts of data, predict potential conflict zones, and support recovery efforts. We looked at a fascinating case study where AI helped streamline recovery processes, making them faster and more efficient. By interpreting complex data, AI can help identify the most urgent needs and allocate resources more effectively, thus accelerating the healing process of a conflict-torn region. AI's impact in post-conflict reconstruction is palpable. It's not just about bringing stability, it's about paving the way for long-term peace and prosperity. It helps us understand patterns, anticipate challenges, and make strategic decisions. The power of AI in post-conflict reconstruction is undeniable. As we continue to explore its potential, one thing is clear: AI can play a pivotal role in building a more peaceful world.